Here is the best place where you can eat fresh seafood. It is located in Waterfront Market, Alcarij Road, Dubai. There will be no traffic if you're going there during a weekend. Waterfront Market is famous for their fresh seafoods, fresh vegetables, fruits, and everything that you can buy. During weekend, there will be a lot of people, but it's not that crowded, and we are always making sure that everyone's wearing mask and maintaining social distancing. Here is the main entrance for the wet market where you can buy all kinds of seafood. Everything that they sell here are very cheap, and you can even ask for more discounts. It's a bit noisy inside, so make sure that your voice is loud and clear so that you can understand each other. It's good that sometimes they can speak Tagalog or they can even understand Tagalog. All seafood are fresh from the sea.
How much is the crab?
This one only 20.
How about the big one?
Big one?
How much? How much is it?
45.
45?
Yeah.
That's the last price?
Yeah, this good one, big one. Check. Good one, number one. Put a light on it.
Okay.
How many? How many?
Dito na. 1 kilo.
Only.
Yes. We choose the big ones, not the small ones. Can you choose this?
One and a half.
Huh?
One and a half.
1.5? 20?
Yeah,
How much is shell? 20.
10 dirham. Dalawa kilo din.
10 dirham? The shell? Wait. Wait. Yes.
Nice one.
How much?
Simple, no.
Which one?
This one from all meat. This good.
Which fish is that?
Kalaki ko.
Lalaki
Bukati
ito.
kata. Fresh.
Wait, let me check the other.
Ito. Hello.
Bangus.
I'm appreciating these
How
people
much is
who's
the
trying to
espada?
speak in Tagalog. It's really
Inside
cute.
the espada.
How many kilo?
Ito, magkano dito sa maliit?
20 isang kilo.
Tapos,
Doon 25 sa malalaki.
mas masarap to eh, yung may ulo eh.
Adobo, no?
Oo, masarap yan.
Isang kilo. Ano lang ito?
Oo, 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Fresh yan, te, no?
Oo, fresh.
Yan, fresh. Ano ba yung fresh nyo dyan?
Ayan, may tilapia, tsaka bango, sapsap. May galunggo. Ito, ayaw mo ito panggata.
Panggata, no?
Sa plastic.
Fresh din yan.
Oo. Ngayon lang po kasi yan.
Wait lang. Magkano yung sell nyo?
Ang saan namin, no? Sige ko ka na.
Hindi, 5?
O, ilang piraso? Ay, ilang piraso. Ilang kilo?
5 dirham?
Isang kilo?
Oo.
Yung buwang kuliin ko, no, ha? Yung iko, huwag kang kukuha ng buka. O, buhay naman yun, no? Di naman yung sarado.
Sige. 5 dirham lang, ah.
Oo. Hindi naman nagtago.
Oo nga. Fresh lahat yan. Paano pag may natitirang ano?
Ay, tinatapon yun. Hindi pwede.
How much is the octopus? How much octopus?
Octopus 30 dirham.
30 dirham. It's fresh.
How many kilo yun?
This is fresh?
Talata mukhi, kala gambo.
What do you call it in... What do you call in Filipino?
Talata mukhi, kala gambo.
Dalagang bukid. Dalagang bukid.
Kala gambo. Whole market, 15 bar you come.
Kuya, this one is a fish egg. Fish egg. How much?
एक पीस का 6 dirham. एक पीस का.
How
6.
80 dirham?
One piece 6.
6. And the snail.
Done?
How much is the snail?
Done?
Yes.
20 dirham.
20 dirham.
What do you want? 20 kilo.
And this one?
Okay, 20 kilo. 20 kilo.
How much this one is?
Base, no, 1 kilo I'm selling, 35 selling.
35? Only today you catch?
Yeah, fresh one.
Ah, nice.
The wet market here in Dubai is super clean and everyone's making sure that they're doing their part to maintain the cleanliness. This is the section where we have to give our seafood in order for them to prepare it. It depends on the dish that you want to cook.
The octopus, don't remove the head. Don't remove the squid. Don't remove the head. Yeah, clean.
Head remove.
Yes.
Remove after cut with finger.
Clean inside and then cut.
Put finger.
There are a lot of screens displayed outside the cleaning area so that we can monitor how they're cleaning it and how they're cutting it. You need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes for them to finish cleaning and cutting your seafood. But as for me, while waiting, I just roam around and check the things that I can explore outside the fish market.
Brother, do you have Egyptian mango? How much?
1 kilo 20.
Huh?
20.
1 kilo. And the strawberry, how much?
5 dirham.
I also went to the other
me
side
strawberry.
where very cheap and fresh fruits and vegetables are available. Exactly 15 minutes I went back to the cleaning section to clean my seafood. Now my seafood is ready for cooking. I'm going out to choose which restaurant I can give the seafood for them to prepare my food. This is the first option of restaurant where they usually cook your seafood in Arabic style. And this is the second option for cooking your seafood. It's a Filipino style cooking and it's located just beside grilled fish. First, you need to give the seafood that you bought to their staff and tell them what dishes that you want them to cook. For the swordfish that I bought, I asked them to cook it in tamarind soup or sinigang na espada in Tagalog.
Swordfish. Sinigang na swordfish.
For the squid and octopus, I asked them to cook it in adobo, a famous Filipino dish. For the lobster, it is in Cajun seafood style. And lastly, for the crabs, it's in sweet and chili style. This is really an amazing experience. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you and have a great day.